Hey investors, welcome all of you to Stoxpot, your go-to episode to unpack what's happening around various stocks, industries, and economies. It's me, LEKSHMAN MJ. I'm here today to throw some lights on Indian packaging industry. This industry was valued at 6.6 lakh crore in FY24, and that's a 4% growth when compared to FY23. The exciting part here is this industry is projected to reach 8.6 lakh crore by FY28, growing at a CAGR of 6.7%. So, what's fueling this growth? Well, it's a mix of rising disposable incomes, urbanization, and the e commerce boom. As more people earn more, they spend more on packaged goods. And with more people moving into cities, the demand for packaged products is skyrocketing. And beyond all these things, the rapid growth seen in online shopping is strongly boosting the demand in packaging industry. But that's not all. The government is also playing a big role here. Initiatives like promoting organized retail and ensuring food safety are also driving demand for high quality packaging. So, in short, it's a combination of consumer behavior, market trends, and policy support that's pushing this industry forward. And now, let's break down the key segments of this industry. The packaging market is divided into four main categories: plastic, paper and paperboard, metal, and glass. Plastic packaging is the undisputed king in this industry, holding a 52% market share in FY23. It's cheap, lightweight, and versatile, making it the go to choice for industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and e commerce. But as we all know that this plastic has a dark side. It's a major contributor to environmental pollution. And this has led to a growing shift towards sustainable alternatives like paper and paperboard packaging. Yet, the paper and paperboard packaging segment holds only 26% market share. This segment is gaining traction, and thanks to its eco friendly nature and its extensive use in e commerce. Now, coming to metal packaging, it holds even small market share, that is 8%, but it is crucial for products that need long shelf lives and strong protection, like beverages and processed foods. And then there is glass packaging, which makes up 13% of the market. Glass is favored for its inert properties and premium image, especially in the food, beverage, and pharmaceutical sectors. Now, coming to challenges and risks, this industry also faces its fair share of challenges. For starters, economic conditions like inflation has increased cost for energy, fuel, and labor, impacting the demand. And it is also prone to supply chain disruptions, which can cause volatility in prices of raw materials. Then there is the environmental challenge. Plastic waste is a huge issue, and the industry is under pressure to adopt more sustainable practices. But here is the catch: sustainable packaging materials are 20 to 30% more expensive than traditional options. For businesses with narrow profit margins, this is a tough pill to swallow. And then, regulatory challenges are another hurdle. Companies have to comply with stricter rules on packaging materials, which often require significant investment in research and infrastructure. And let's not forget India's infrastructure limitations. Only 60% of plastic waste is recycled, and waste collection system, especially in rural areas, are far from what is considered as ideal. And here is where the government's sustainable regulations becomes crucial. The Public Waste Management Rules of 2016 mandates the producers to collect and recycle a certain percentage of plastic waste. Several states have also banned single use plastics like bag, cutleries, and straws. The national packaging policy aims to establish standards for packaging, promote recycling, and encourage the use of eco friendly materials. And then there is the EcoMark certification scheme, which certifies environmentally friendly products, including packaging materials. And the effective implementation of these policies are extremely important for us to align with the global environmental goals and push the industry towards greener solutions. Now, looking ahead, the outlook for India's packaging industry is bright. Population growth and urbanization will continue to boost demand for packaged goods. And like I mentioned earlier in this episode, the e commerce sector is expanding rapidly, and that's going to drive demand for packaging materials. Sustainability will be a major focus. Companies are increasingly adopting eco friendly packaging solutions to meet consumer demand and regulatory requirements. And let's not forget the technological advances in packaging sector like smart packaging, automation and 3D printing are set to revolutionize the industry and also help scale up the production as the demand for sustainable packaging materials rise. And that's it for today's episode of Stockspot. If you find this episode insightful, make sure you follow us and share this with your friends. So until I meet you in the next one, it's me, Lakshman MJ, signing off.